Unfortunately, we didn't have an early goose season, so we patiently waited for the October 1st goose and duck opener. September only brought us an inch of rain, and it was hot. With most of our wood duck holes dry, we decided to focus back on geese. Our best option was a pasture just outside of town that was holding a few local birds. The plan of attack was to set up on the knob of the hill using the white rock silhouettes. We weren't able to drive our trucks into the pasture, so these decoys were the perfect option.
Take him. Coming in too fast. Stay. 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 Stay.
We're just finishing up our opening day hunt this morning, and we ended up with 6 birds. We did not see nearly the amount of birds that were using this pasture yesterday. As you can see, we kind of got a little mist, some overcast, so this setup is kind of difficult. It's a tight area, and our shooting lanes are pretty tight. So what we did with the decoys is tried to funnel those birds to where we could shoot. We're actually sitting below our bigger pod. So more decoys above us is going to try and pull those birds closer to there, giving us good ethical shots. So just a quick little shoot, and we got another field that had birds in it a couple days ago. We can go scout that tonight, and if they're in there tomorrow, that's where we're going to head in the morning. So we'll see what we can come up with tonight and be back in the field tomorrow morning. With another field lined up for the next morning and a few more hunters, we were hoping for a better flight. With Iowa's 2-bird limit, it didn't take a lot of birds to have a huntable field. Unfortunately, luck wasn't on our side, and the birds decided to fly from water to water, leaving us high and dry in the field they had been using for the past 2 days. We went back to the drawing board and decided to try our luck on a public marsh that had been holding a few birds during the midday.
Are you kidding me? 3 bands?
Old band. We came out of our public land marsh hunt wearing nothing but smiles. Luke was able to harvest his first and second band back to back, and Eric his first band ever. That is the one thing I love about White Rock. The walk back to that marsh was almost a mile. Using the collapsible full-body Canadas allowed us to bring 24 decoys into the secluded marsh and kill our birds. For me, it's the hunts you work for that you remember best and are the most special. October was coming to an end, and we were hoping for some colder weather to get the migration kick-started.